Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and after that scroll down to the lock screen and wallpaper section. Here click to the wallpaper. So just tap to agree to allow twice, and here you could use the regular default wallpapers from your device, to use local images from your device camera previously taken on your device camera, or downloaded from the internet, or to download more wallpapers in the internet. For example, let's use one from these wallpapers. Tap to apply and select set as lock screen. Now this wallpaper applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed the wallpaper. Also, we could make it by the second way. Hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and let's just here tap to the three dots, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers, tap to apply, set, not the home screen, set as lock screen. They applied successfully, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.